Girl Scout Troop 8401 from the Colony. We are working on our Bronze Award to add dog agility equipment to the City Dog Park.
What is the Bronze Award?
Good question. The Bronze Award is the highest award Girl Scout juniors can earn.
Okay, seriously, what does that mean?
Something big, something that we've been training for 5 years, and it includes many core values from the Girl Scout law, such as being friendly and helpful, bringing the community together, and enhancing our city.
We all love animals and want to help our furry canine friends and their humans stay active and healthy while soaking up some vitamin D.
This is where we need your help. While we did demonstrate our awesome cookie selling skills by selling thousands of cookies, we need a bit more financial help. We have 4 sponsorship levels for you and your company. Have your name displayed on the dog park. We really hope you consider joining us in this amazing opportunity to support the local community. Thank you for your time.